We made some parts that going up in the manned mission, but they altered the schedule on that. It was supposed to land on the moon, but now it's going to do a rendezvous. So there's little parts, but still, they're up in space. Pretty cool. We are Dreamz Machining. We are located just north of Orlando in Longwood, Florida, and we've been here at this location going on 4 years. We do a lot of work for SpaceX, Blue Origin, Lockheed, Boeing, Northrop Grumman. We do mainly all aerospace work, DoD, government work. We're a very small shop. There's 2 of us full-time and 3. One of the guys is part-time. So just trying to challenge and manage your time properly. Time is a killer for us. We have been using CAMAssist for roughly about 1.5 years. What we tend to do is we'll let it run in the background, chewing on the next job. So as we're working on part A, part B, we'll open up, we'll let CAMAssist go through, take a look at it, give us some options. We might go in and change a few things around. We might do like a first operation to the part and then bring CAMAssist in. It just depends on what kind of part we're doing. Sometimes, we're doing big surface plates and stuff like that. It's awesome for that kind of work. That quick, easy, it's boring to cam it manually. You just hit start and boom, there it is. It's all done for you. 10 minutes, you've got a working program. And what we try to do is just line it up. As we are working on parts, it's chopping in the background. If it gets done with that one, we'll let it turn it loose on the next part. It looks at the problem the same way every time. There's no variation. So it's always giving you the same machining programs and patterns. And it's very predictable what it's going to give you. And it just, boom, there it is. So I love that fact. I love the fact that, when I open up a program after it's computed the code for me and I can look at it and go, okay, this makes sense. As far as CAMAssist, what it's done for our business, it's absolutely paid for itself. For the value, to have a programmer basically sitting there working for you, whatever we need, it's always there. So as far as value, dollars spent, it's the best money spent. Time-wise, it saves us a lot of time that we can move to the next job, just boom, immediately. We do have to go back in and finish up that last 30% more programming just because of the complexity of the job, or sometimes, especially on flat plate work and easy work like that, simple boxes that we got to make for enclosures, they come out pretty much ready to run. There's not much for us to do. So if it can save you all that setup time, it's just more time that we have during the day to spend on the important stuff, in my mind, which is making the part. Everything else leads up to machining the part. It has an inherent value, but unless the spindle's spinning, you're not making money. So at our shop rate, that's saving 2 days a month. That's $4,000 a month that we're saving. Around 12, that's a $50,000 savings to us in our pocket. Embrace the technology, because honestly, if you don't, everybody's going to run right past you. What I see happening is, because people can push through more parts, they're starting to say, okay, our price is points here. We might be able to go just a little bit lower in the price point and still produce the parts at the same profit. And they may be beating your bid. It makes your parts quicker, easier, more accurate. And when you take them off and take them run them on the CMM, the parts check out perfect. They look good. Everything's fine. Tumble them up, ship them out the door.